hums like an old vinyl groove. Steam curls slow from a porcelain mood. I came here early
where the stories brood.
Ordered a lungo
the way you used to do. The chair across still holds your ghost. Half smile fade like the foam on toast. The air remembers what we forgot. The love we spilled, the warmth we lost. Your name still trembles inside my cup.
Sweet at the rim,
but it burns enough.
we were the sugar that wouldn't melt. In the silence where our echoes dwell, the rain outside keeps marking time, dripping truth in uneven rhyme.
I dressed in gray to match the sky, still unsure if I should smile.
I count the seconds
And stir the year
between each sip.
between old fears.
The barista hums a tune too soft,
And I taste the life we both put off.
that Lungo sits
It's grown cold,
grown deep.
a bitter muse that will not sleep.
It tells me love,
Like caffeine's burn, fades slow, yet still returns. I almost turned at the corner light,
thinking love was best left quiet.
but something pulled a thread unseen. A scent of jazz, a sepia dream. Through glass I saw your shadow lean against the past, so still, so clean.
My heart forgot its practice part
And trembled open, torn apart.
I looked up just as the doorbell rang.
And time dissolved a fragile string.
No words, just eyes, just trembling hands.
Like broken wings in porcelain lands. We didn't speak, the silence spoke. Through rising steam and drifting smoke, a single tear traced where warmth had gone, and met the cup still barely warm. The cafe clock forgot its song.
The world outside kept moving on.
Two ghosts sat down where love once grew, between the bitter and the blue. If Lungo means it lasts too long, then maybe that's where we went wrong. Love stretched thin, too much, too slow, until it lost its afterglow. You smiled,
Or maybe I just dreamed.
the light through glass cut soft and clean.
We'd brewed a love too strong to last.
Now all that's left, a cooling past. A spoon lies still, the moment stays suspended there in soft cafe haze. If I could pour our hearts again, would it taste of joy or pain? I reach across the wooden scar,
Where hands once met,
now seem so far. Your eyes still carry the autumn air, and every word we didn't share. I lift your cup, the Lungo's cold, yet something stirs, yet something holds. I sip the ghost of who we were and feel us fade, but not unsure. The door swings wide, the daylight hums, two lonely hearts in unison. We'll leave the cups, the chairs, the song, for love like Lungo lingers on.